Eleanor Falco and I. It's Stack Overflow, but for translations. The idea was to build a site that Michael could use when he's building his games. It's a shame he's not here.
He's watching the stream.
To crowdsource.
He's right here.
Hi, Michael. To crowdsource translations. So here's the index view, so you can see other people have added translations. We added Facebook authentication, so when I click this login button, it'll log me in. There I am in the corner. And then I can request translation, or I can see what Michael's up to. Yeah. He wants to know how to say this in Japanese.
Someone should know.
You can see that Linguini is the first to post. So every time someone posts a translation request to the site, Linguini takes a stab at it, and then we can, the community can give their input. So go ahead and download this if you can't understand it. Linguini didn't give us any context for his translation. Then we can leave a comment. And boom, there I am, I'm on the board. Okay, and where to go from here?
So
Maybe we'll add a translation?
yeah,
Or
let's
add a
add a
request?
translation.
Okay, let's request one. You want to talk about this page, Falco?
Okay.
As the architect of this.
Sure. Yeah, so the idea is that you basically just type in whatever you want to have translated in English in this request page, in this request input, and then select the language that you want it translated into. So yeah, we can go for maybe something that I can understand. And then
Its first language is German.
yeah, you can type in something like this is good, and then provide some sort of context. Usually, right, when you want something translated, one of the big kind of pitfalls of Google Translate, for example, although they do a very good job, is that you don't, within the context of kind of what you're trying to write, it doesn't always make sense. So you can kind of provide some context. In this case, not very helpful. But you can press submit, and then it'll take you to kind of this this thing you've just created, and then here's Linguini, very literally translating this query that I've submitted here. And yeah, you can answer this question if you're like a user. And yeah, it's kind of Sure.
Yeah, does the context integrate with the translation?
That's not at the moment. That's mostly for like actual human users to like understand the context in which the request.
So it translates the phrase and then it translates the context?
No, so the context is just like something extra that you can provide.
In order to translate that?
Yeah, it just like provides.
To help other people who
Yeah.
might be like, subject matter experts translate it for you.
Which API are you using?
We're using like freetranslate.org or something like that. We didn't even need to provide it, yeah. So hence the very little translation. Then yeah, we have the next slide. Yeah, so these are what we used to put this together. Yeah, that's pretty good. Any other questions?
What's Istanbul?
Istanbul is a coverage tool.
Oh, all right.
So we run that to determine how much of our code is covered by our tests.
Nice. How much of your code is covered by tests?
How much Falco?
So, good question. We're actually not sure because that kind of
It was like 80 something before Falco added his tests.
yeah. And then it went down.
Which was last night, so I don't know. 0 functions are tested currently. We're just testing the API.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's Linguini in a nutshell. Yeah.
What would be like, what are roadmap features for this?
I really wanted to, if we had more time, I would have loved to have Linguini send emails to people who posted a request containing a link to an answer that someone provides. So you answer Michael's question, and then Michael gets an email with a link to the original post. So you just navigate back and do your response. What about you?
I initially kind of wanted to potentially have the ability to like edit something that somebody's already submitted. So let's say, right, that somebody's like translation, their own translation is like pretty spot on, but like maybe 1 or 2 words like might need to be changed.
Yeah.
It might be cool to be able to kind of have like a consensus answer that people can vote on that kind of brings together suggestions from multiple people.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Yeah, highlighting the prevailing answer would be awesome. And also text editing support if you want to write in another language, you'd have to use your keyboard.
Oh, I see.
Or go to Google Translate, paste it. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Do you guys use a typeface that supports many languages, many character sets?
It's a
you
Google
had-
font, so I hope so.
Is it open sans?
No.
So I think that one has wide support. I don't know for what, but I know there's
Yeah, there was
that was Japanese in there,
yes.
so it supported that.
It supported that.
Cool.
Sure.
We didn't test every single
Kanji.
language, but
What?
Testing.
Yeah.
What do you guys do with your time?
So you guys say you guys have Travis CI, is that just running build and like tests on every PR or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. Cool. Any other questions? No, clap for them.